This is the brand new YADA Roadcam AI, a powerful 3-channel dash cam designed for complete coverage. A front camera to capture the road ahead, an interior camera to monitor the cabin, and a rear camera for what's happening behind your car. This dash cam is equipped with AI-powered driver assistance, providing real-time warnings and notifications to help keep you safer on the road. Here's everything included in your YADA Roadcam AI package. The camera comes with a 32GB micro SD card installed, but you can upgrade it to 256 gigabytes. Let's power up the dash cam and find the optimal mounting spot. When you turn it on for the first time and set the date and time, calibration lines will appear on the screen. Align the green line with the center of your car and the red line with the horizon for the best AI performance. If you accidentally skip this step or want to recalibrate later, just go to Menu, Driver Assistance, Recalibrate AI. Once calibration is done, clean the windshield with a microfiber towel to help the adhesive stick securely. If you prefer not to apply the 3M VHB tape directly to the glass, use the included adhesive film. Peel off the backing and place it on the windshield. Then remove the 3M tape cover and attach the dash cam. Now let's get it powered up. Plug the USB-C cable into the dash cam. Tuck the cable neatly along the headliner, A-pillar, weather stripping, and footwell area to keep things tidy. Use the included cable clips so nothing dangles. Finally, plug it into your 12-volt port. Now the front cam is ready to go. Next, let's install the rear camera. First, plug it into the provided extension cable and then the front camera to make sure it's working. Tuck the cable along the headliner, A, B, and C pillars and weather stripping to keep it out of the way. You may mount the camera in one of 2 spots. If you would like to have it inside your car, place it at the center top of your rear windshield. If you'd like to have it outside your car, install it above your license plate using the 3M tape. This option, however, may require drilling. Now you're good to go. The YADA Drive app lets you access your video files, adjust camera settings wirelessly, and automatically sync the camera's time with your phone for accurate timestamps. But don't worry, the camera works without the app if you prefer. Before we connect, here's an important tip. If you're using wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto, temporarily disconnect it. These features occupy your phone's Wi-Fi and won't let the dash cam connect properly. There are 2 methods to connect to the app. For the first method, go into the dash cam settings menu, select System Setting and choose Wi-Fi. A QR code will show up on screen. Now, go into your YADA Drive app, select the corresponding dash cam, allow everything, and point the camera at the QR code to scan it. Give it a few seconds and you're on. If it doesn't connect, you can try the second method. Go into the Wi-Fi settings menu on your phone, connect to the YADA dash cam network using password 12345678, return to the app, select the corresponding dash cam, and you should be good to go. Once you've connected to the dash cam, go to the main screen and tap the gear icon. If there's an update, a new icon will appear. Just select it and follow the instructions. One important feature is Parking Monitor, which allows the dash cam to record while your car is parked for added security. Like most dash cams on the market, this feature requires hardwiring using a hardwire kit. Now, let's take a look at the AI driver assistance features. But before we try them out, here's an important note. These features require a GPS signal to work. GPS can connect instantly or take up to 10 minutes. If it's not working, simply reboot the dash cam by unplugging and plugging it back in when you get a chance. Now, let's check out the features in action. The forward collision warning kicks in when you're closing the gap too quickly with the car in front of you. If the system detects a potential rear-end collision, it will alert you to brake before it's too late. The lane departure warning feature alerts you if your vehicle drifts out of its lane. It's especially useful on highways and long drives, helping prevent unintended lane changes due to fatigue or distractions. The stop and go feature helps when you're stopped at a light or in traffic. If the car in front of you starts moving and you don't react, the dash cam will give you a quick alert so you can keep up with traffic. The pedestrian warning feature helps you stay alert in parking lots and school zones. If a pedestrian is detected in your path, the dash cam will immediately warn you, giving you extra time to slow down or stop. And there you have it. The YADA Roadcam AI is designed to keep you covered on the road with smart features and reliable protection. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to our customer service team at customercare@horizon-brands.com. Drive smart and stay safe and keep on dashing.